Looks like we get some water in here. Must have a leak on here, but probably leak in here where the dent is. All right. What's going on, guys? Welcome to Spang's World. We've been riding around in the JK, doing some trail rides and stuff here lately all summer. It's time to do some maintenance on it. While we got the wheels off and stuff, I'm just gonna go ahead, check everything, make sure it's good. Give it a good once over and stuff. A lot easier to repair while you have stuff off and you can see it. Or make a determination on what's going on. One of the nice things about the Rubicon Express kit here, you have grease points on all of these. This one here is turned 90 degrees going into the bracket, so you can't really see it, but not gonna be able to get to that one today. But we're gonna go ahead, grease that, check everything over while we got each tire off, and keep going from there. I got the tire off. One of the things here, it looks like they already got gussets welded in front and back here on there. On this bracket, we got this used, so I'm not 100% sure what all's done to it and stuff. But finding little things like that's nice to see. We're gonna go through, grease all the points here, control arms and on the knuckles and stuff before putting the wheels back on, and go from there. Some of those grease points you can hit while the tires are on, but it's nice to be able to see everything. Oh. Oops. That was broken. Oh, there we go. Looks like we're gonna have to tap and get that one out. Well, that sucks. See, that's why you gotta do some maintenance sometimes. Find these brakes before you get on the trail. It's not a major one, but get it fixed and greased up hopefully here pretty soon. Alright, tire rotation is done, greasing everything, all the control arms and stuff, and drive shafts and everything that needed grease. Found one broken grease cert, drilled and tapped out of there. Replaced that, but other than that, everything else looks pretty good. If the video was helpful, hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, leave a comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace!